Let's create a YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's Andrew here from Lipscoop Media. Let's begin. Head on to the link in the description below. It should bring you to this page. Let's sign right in. Using your Gmail account. Don't worry guys, if you don't have a Gmail account, it's provided for you right below where you see create account. If you do, let's head on right over there. See, create account. Okay, now let's enter our Gmail. Enter our Gmail here and click next. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Head down below this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you'll get all our latest videos, and stay tuned to making money online. Okay, so back on your channel, back in YouTube, after we have logged in, click on our icon. It says your channel right here. They already created a channel for us. Now let's go on over to that button, start customizing our channel. Ours is already customized. Just head on over the screen panels. You will see where you'll hear a couple of our videos. Head on over to our screen where it says customize channel. And over at our dashboard, you can see everything here. You have our videos, you can edit the photos, the background, you can edit our icon photo, our channel icon. So that way we can place that at the below or the top of our screen in all our videos. Now let's upload our first video. This link is also if you want to go live, but let's upload a video that we already created. Click the button. Right. Select files to upload. You can either drag and drop, or you can click right there and it will automatically open File Manager where you have all your photos. We're going to drag and drop one right here. Okay, right there. Alright. Okay, so it's in. Now we're going to edit our title, because you see there's the status bar. It's loading the videos, uploading it. And you can see it on the left hand side right there in the little screen. It's loading. Let's see. Complete. Now you just fill out this little description. After you put in your title, you're going to want to head on and give your video a couple tags. This tag is very important, guys. With that being said, let's add a few. Be sure to keep it similar to the title and your description. Go ahead and add a few. Okay, here are a couple of stuff. Check out inside, just checking around, make sure everything looks good. As you can see, the progress is 100% complete. Our video shows up on the left right here on the screen. Everything looks good. Alright, I think we're ready to press that publish button. Click publish. Alright, your channel was created and you have added your first video. Hope this video was very helpful, guys. Watch our other video on how to monetize your video and finally start getting paid. Link is in the description below. Or you can click on the screen to watch more videos.